box. It's just finishing up right now.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites. You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom, here we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
Channel, starter strip, straight, OJ channel, starter strip, straight. You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install